What's going on, guys? It's MyRappersRap, and today what I have for you guys is an unboxing of the latest and greatest, the LYBB Slide. Released a little while ago, back around February, January. I got a fresh pair for you today, and we're going to check them out. So starting off, we have obviously a nice presentation. First ever box for the first ever slide. Nice big LYBB printed right across the top. Last year being broke, last year being blinded, last year being bullied, whatever you want it to be. Come up with your own acronyms. Let us know what they are. On the inside, we have this nice lovely quote, very inspirational, written by Twelvyy himself, the man himself. And then from there, we descend into the slide. First of its kind, highly innovative, highly fashionable, highly functional. There's a lot going on here. So, firstly, I'll tell you all about the durability of the shoe, starting with the midsole and the sole itself. It's very sneaker-esque, very nice, very well crafted. It's thick, it's not thin like a normal slide. No matter how many times you wear it, it's really gonna hold up well on you as long as you're not doing nothing too crazy, of course. It's just like any other sneaker or shoe in the regard that you gotta take care of it. But if you love it, it loves you. It doesn't give out on you too quickly. As you can see through all this detail, you got nice grip, you get nice traction. You're not going to be slipping and sliding everywhere in your nice new slides. There's also the logo, which is very durable. Bull logo, it's not going to go away and disintegrate after one or two wears like it would on certain other companies' logos on the sole. It really stays with you so you know what you're wearing and other people know what you're wearing. From there, we're going to get into the nice fashionable, functional parts of the shoe, starting with the straps. They come off really simply, really nicely, really easily, but they also stay on very nice and tight. You can strengthen or loosen the grip of the straps and the overall hold on your foot as much as you choose. It's been a long day and maybe your feet's a little swollen, loosen them up a bit. If it's right fresh in the morning, you really want to get locked in there, make sure everything fits good, and you're really comfortable and good to go, you can tighten them up a little bit. That also blends into the fashionable aspect of it. For this, the first of its kind really, all these straps come out and come off, and you can insert any color you want to go with any outfit you possibly desire. They look good with jeans, shorts, cargos, joggers, sweats, anything you can think of, you can use it. Which leads into how innovative it is. It's so different, it's so innovative. Do whatever you're feeling, wear whatever you're thinking. We're letting you really be yourself and really stay true to yourself. And that's the main component and the main really cool aspect of it. You don't have to sacrifice your fashionable nature for functionality, and you don't have to sacrifice the functionality for your fashion. They go hand in hand here. You get so much out of it that it's really worth the price and really worth the exclusivity of them. You're not going to run into just everybody in the street wearing these. So I definitely recommend picking yourself up a pair, seeing what you can do with them, put together whatever you're feeling, put together whatever outfits speak to you, and let us know what you're looking like, because you can definitely tag the Instagram, go on the website,